Sa balita at mapasaya ang inyong araw, i-scan ang inyong mga digibox at hanapin ang Highland TV. Ang aming channel, nakadepende sa inyong lokasyon. Para naman sa mga gumagamit ng free TV o digital smart TV, posisyon ang inyong antena sa labas ng bahay at hanapin ang Channel 44. Pwede rin kaming subaybayan live sa Original News Group Luzon Facebook page at RNG Luzon YouTube channel. Araw-araw tumutok para sa mga balita, latest updates at kulitan tuwing umaga.
Grabe, parang na-miss ko na naman kayo. 81 days to go! Pasko na! At makakasama nyo ang dynamic duo muna kasi ang ating minion ay nag-travel doon, far, far away. Ayan! Oo nga, no? Medyo far na nga naman talaga yun, no? So, kasama nyo pa rin ang Racketeer at madiscarding Mamshi Sheki. Birthday to you! Anong music? Walang music. Ay, dahil hindi dapat sasayaw ka mamaya kasi birthday mo nga. gawa. Ay, sorry, yun lang. Oo. Oo nga. Morning, Barkada. Ito pa ha. There's a lot of ways for you to watch your dynamic trio duo. At kahit ano pa. Kasi nga minsan, di ba, lulubog at lilitaw nga naman ang inyong mga kasama tuwing umaga. Pero TV lang, pwedeng-pwede po. At kung yung mga gumagamit po ng antena, pwedeng-pwede ipihit lamang sa tawang. Parang may kinabahan ako. Anong pabulong yan? Kung gamit lamang ang inyong TV na antena, ipihit lang sa tamang direksyon para makakuha ng signal. At kung smart digital TV naman, you can rescan your channel numbers. Mahahanap nyo kami either the GNN channel or Highland TV channel. Depende po ang channel number sa inyong lokasyon kasi pwedeng 12, 24, 22, 44 po sa ibang mga lokasyon.
Ayan, hindi ata ako narinig kanina.
Sorry.
Ayan, good morning sa ating mga kabalitaktakan ngayong umagang ito. And also, kung ayaw nyo namang tumutok sa inyong mga telebisyon or tinatamad kayo ngayong araw, nako, pwede nyo naman pong gamitin ang inyong cellphone upang manood. Gamit lamang po, hanapin po sa inyong Facebook ang RNG Luzon. At sa YouTube naman, live tayo at RNG Luzon. And also, pwede nyo din kaming i-follow sa TikTok and also Instagram. And if you want to have a good read, punta lamang po kayo sa rngluzon.ph para sa iba't ibang mga articles na pwedeng basahin to be updated lagi.
Yes, quick reads yan, no? Mga 1-minute fruitful reads, morning Barkada. Kaya check nyo na yung mga yan.
Yan, check nyo na. And speaking of checking, nako, atin namang alamin ang ating latest weather update ngayong umaga. Kung magiging maulan ba or magiging maaraw ang ating panahon, ating silipin yan sa ating latest weather update ngayong ika-5 ng Oktubre 2022. Sa ating latest weather update ngayong umaga, mga kabalitaktakan, ako parang mag-iisang linggo na, no, na wala tayong nararamdaman anumang sama ng panahon ngayong araw na ngayong linggo na ito. Actually, ang nakakaapekto lang po sa ating weather ngayong umaga, ito pong pag-ihip ng easterlies or itong kaulapan from east, eastern part ng ating bansa, lalong-lalo na po dyan sa parte ng Bicol region, dyan po sa Quezon and also Aurora and dyan po sa Isabela. Nakakaapekto po yan, magdadala po yan ng pag-ulan. Ito yung mga kaulapan galing sa Pacific Ocean. And also ito pong ITCZ or Intertropical Convergence Zone. Yung nakikita nyong kaulapan dyan sa parte ng Davao, yan po yung ITCZ na nakakaapekto. Posible pong magdala yan ng pag-ulan dyan sa ating mga kababayan dyan sa Mindanao. So far, wala po tayong namomonitor or anumang namumong bagyo sa ngayon sa ating anumang parte ng ating karagatan or dyan pa sa Pacific Ocean. So, and let's just enjoy the day.
Pero yung paulan-ulan,
Yan yung easterlies.
Yun yung
Umaabot siya hanggang
easterlies.
Cordillera,
Oo
yung
nga
pagulan.
eh.
So magdala pa rin tayo ng payong, pagdating usually mga hapon yan, makikita mo yung kaulapan. Magdala pa rin po tayo ng ating mga payong para po ligtas tayo sa tuwing bubuhos ang ulan. Ang ating pinakamababang temperatura ang naitala dito po sa Baguio City, 17.2 degrees Celsius at asahan po natin itong iinit sa 24.6
Uy,
degrees
mainit
Celsius.
yun.
Yan.
Oo
Medyo
nga.
hindi pa malamig.
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Oo.
Parang yung simoy ng Burmans, parating pa lang.
Yes,
Oo,
tama.
diba? Tapos yung boosting our immune system, Morning Barkada, marami pong quality products provided by Aldrich Corporation, and one of that is Pau. Kasi meron po silang food supplement po sa mga working mothers, papa dyan, that, that doesn't have time na kumain yan. Meron po silang quality product. And speaking of boosting Morning Barkada, ang Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas is trying to intensify our priority bills. Kasi part of it, Morning Barkada, is that they will now look into the eSIM registration nga, and which is governed in the Financial Accounts Regulation Act. Yan nga, Morning Barkada, they wanted to exemplify also yung mga paggamit ng fraudulent activities.
Yes.
And kasi nga, we are now riveting into digital payments bill. Kaya yung mga gusto pong mag-send ng GCash kay Charles, idaan nyo po sa akin para safe. Joke lang po. And they want to penalize also those that does not have penalize po yung mga gumagamit ng mga ng online banking, ng fraudulent activities. Kaya po sa this act will now just solidify yung gusto ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas to make sure that we are all protected when it comes to our bill payments online and through cashless transactions also. Kasi dito sa Baguio City, meron na tayong
Yes, Paleng QR.
Ang cute!
Yes.
Paleng QR nga naman. And Morning Barkada, this is also equivalent to the SIM Registration Act. Kasi nga, ang dami-dami nating nare-receive na spam messages.
Tama.
Sa na meron pa rin kasi talagang nabubudol, if I may say that term, na marami parang nabubudol through text messaging. So they wanted to just include all this act in the FARA Act na yan.
Ayan,
Moin.
FARA Act. Oo.
FARA.
Kasi nga din naman, yung Paleng QR, just to be reminded, yan po ay programa ng DILG at ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas.
Yes,
So, they want to boost itong cashless transaction and to be competitive na din sa ating mga iba't ibang mga negosyo na tinatayo. Kasi dito sa Baguio City, akala mo ba pwede pala yung piso na taho? Basta magbayad ka lang sa cashless transaction.
Ay, pwede.
Pwede.
Or we're helping our SMEs also to alleviate rather yung mga payment options na pwede and methods for our Morning Barkada din.
Kaya ngayon manlilibre ako ng tigpipisong taho.
Wow! Oy, gusto ko yan. Walang ganon.
Yun lang, walang dumadaan dito na nagbebenta ng taho.
Ang talino.
Yan.
Ang talino nga naman.
Pwede. Sige, mga kabalitaktakan, nagpaputuloy pa rin po ang ating pandemyang nararanasan ngayon at ayon po sa mga health experts, itong Omicron kasi nagiging ngayon, lantaran, and ang tagal mawala nitong Omicron. Pero ayon po sa mga health experts, ang Omicron variant po ay hindi pa inaasahang magiging huling variant na ating mararanasan dito po sa ating fight against COVID-19. So, ito nga po, sinabi po ni Dr. Edsel Salvania, siya po isang infectious disease expert, and I quote, "Definitely hindi magiging huling variant ang Omicron dahil patuloy ang pag-mutate ng virus at marami pa ring mga tao, unfortunately, na hindi pa rin nababakunahan o hindi pa rin nabuboost." So, sinabi po niya, kasi nga din naman, nag-mutate ang virus kapag nagpapalipat-lipat to sa iba't ibang katawan.
Opo.
So, kapag nasilip nung Omicron na, bakunado to, I will adjust myself para maka-infect pa rin ako. Although, ang virus kasi, ang kagandahan naman ng virus, hindi niya lalakasan yung kanyang effectivity para hindi siya mamatay. Kasi once na yung characteristics ng virus naging malakas, it will kill itself.
Yes,
Yun yung mahirap, which is yun yung mutate niya para mag-adjust. Parang nagpapalipat-lipat lang na border na i-adjust niya sa sarili niya kung paano siya mag-a-adapt doon sa tirahan. Parang ganon. So, ganyan din si COVID. So, sinabi po niya na may mga panganib na pwedeng gawin itong COVID-19 kapag mag-mutate pa. And sinabi po niya na habang may mga tao pong ganyan na may pockets na unvaccinated, the threat of new variant is always there. Kasi nga naman, kapag bakunado na, mahirapan si virus na mag-adjust. Paano pa kaya kung makakapag-infect? Kaya kapag bakunado tayong lahat, it will lessen or hindi magiging kitten. From lion to kitten na nga daw eh. Yun yung sinabi ni Dr. Donabel Tobera Panes sa akin nung na-explain niya tong COVID-19. So we will treat it as from being a lion to a kitten. So parang ganun. Ganun yung nangyari kay Delta. From lion na nakakatakot, naging kitten siya na maliit.
Yun
diba?
pala.
So it will not be the last.
It will not be. Pero at least weaker na siguro siya, no, Charles? Kasi kung yung variant will now parang hinahanapan niya lang yung butas ng vaccine or immune system natin. So, it's going to be weaker and weaker. Pero, Morning Barkada, please make sure pa rin that we protect ourselves by, basic lang, wearing your face mask and get yourselves vaccinated po. Because we're seeing a low number kasi of Filipinos that are boosted. Kaya, ingat lang po tayo. And speaking pa rin, Morning Barkada, ng bubukas naman ng, yun nga, bagong variant. Meron namang pagbubukas na mangyayari dyan sa Pangasinan. They are trying to see if it's possible for them to reopen. Ayan, I just wanted to be correct dito Manlaluag, tama ba? Manlaluag Spring sa mga Taram, Pangasinan. Yan,
may spring doon?
Yes, there's actually two.
Or...
There's two spring there. Yun yung isa. And one is the largest is the Buglao Spring naman that is located nga in Pangasinan as well. So this is in return also for their tourism recovery headed also Morning Barkada by their Governor Ramon Mongico III because they wanted to see also na it is for rehabilitation indeed. And this hot spring Morning Barkada gives us a natural site and an equivalent of healing as well. Kasi ang mga hot spring, it lowers down your stress level.
Diba?
Oo,
at sarap magbabad dyan.
Oo, at saka yung iba nagpapadiet ang hot spring kasi.
Ay, ganon?
Oo, punta na tayo.
Diet?
Oo, kasi
Ako gusto ko na magpunta dyan.
Oo, diba? Pwede. Kasi Morning Barkada, aside from that is one of those that are identified as natural protected since 1940 pa. And it has been open for the public pero hindi nga masyadong napupuntahan. Aside from that, kasi ang isa pang, there's only two kasi that is protected in Pangasinan. One is 100 Islands and yan nga yung Manlaluag Spring. Oo, they have two ophiolitic, if I said it correctly, ophiolitic springs, Morning Barkada, opposite together, and it is from the Mount Malobobo volcano. It's a dormant volcano na kaya safe naman. So they're just trying to see how they could intensify also their tourism activities dyan nga sa Manlaluag Spring. Ay, parang gusto kong pumunta dyan.
Oo, kasi pwede healthy din yan sa skin because it has sulfur na pwedeng mag-dissolve or mag-corrode nung mga namatay na dead skin cells, di ba?
Yes, oo. Pang ano yun? ang tawag nito, spa, body spa?
Whitening. Whitening talaga.
Basta
pagtanggal ng anong mga nakalimutang kudkudin or halusin dyan. Ayan. From Pangasinan naman mga kabalitaktakan, akyat naman tayo dito sa probinsya po ng Kalinga dahil sinabi po ni Governor Ed Duba na kailangan na po itong digital transformation dahil nga din naman sa kakatapos po na 4-day training sa government web template creation and designing with training on cybersecurity and data privacy. Diyan po sa Tabuk City, Kalinga, sinabi po ni Governor Duba na going digital is no longer an option. It is very needed. It is needed na kailangan ng matutunan natin kasi nga din naman mas maganda na merong digital backup kasi nga din naman kapag magre-review ka ng mga files ma'am baka pwede pong tingnan yung file ng ganito, baka mag-apply po ako ng business permit. Ang dati is pupunta siya sa file cabinet, hanapin natin yung yung file na yon, renewal, mga ganun, ano. Wherein ito namang digital, baka pwede nating gamitin for other government services,
Yes,
'di ba?
tama.
Mas madali at mas kulang or ano ba, mahirapan yung corruption kasi meron tayong traces, ano.
Gusto ko
We
yung
have the
corruption.
numbers. We can avoid corruption with
Ay.
the digital transformation nga din naman, ano. For example, here also in Baguio City, meron na tayong digital payment, ano. And also ito pong training na ito ay makakatulong po sa mga pagtatayo ng information technologists or pag-designate or skilling information technologists, computer maintenance technicians or information officers per local government units with skills and knowledge on government template or websites. In the end of the training, LGUs will be able to craft their own sites where people around the world may able to reach and see their LGU operation services, tourism destinations, and
Yes.
other cities and municipal assets.
Uy,
So
ganda
you can
nun.
access it through
Oo,
phone. And it is
tama.
very friendly
It
kasi.
is and all sectors in our all tama. All sectors kasi nakikinabang when there is digitalization kasi sorry na. Parang kami sa DOT accreditation namin as tour guides, it's a template tas accessible siya by everyone. So kunwari, we have guest ganyan na gusto niyo makita yung mga DOT accredited establishments,
Hotels.
go to this site and you will see everything in the Philippines. So if in this integrated system, edi mas mapapadaling iba and at least maiiwasan po natin yung mga panloloko nga na yung iba, hindi naman tama ang intensyon. And in speaking of integrated system, Morning Barkada, dyan ulit sa Pangasinan, all their district hospital have been the first in the Philippines that allowed them to get an IMS certification.
Uy,
or
congrats.
La Union. I'm sorry.
La
Thank you for
Union.
correcting me. Integrated management system dyan po sa hospital dyan sa La Union, Morning Barkada.
6 district
Opo,
hospitals.
Balawan, Bacnotan, Caban, Nagilian, Rosario District Hospitals, La Union Medical Center, nakatanggap po sila again first in the Philippines with 3 IMS certification, including Quality Management System, Environment Management System, and Occupational Health and Safety Management System. At sabi mo nga kanina, Charles, ito din, one of the reason why they got the system is because of their digitalized and very yung filing system nila is also very convenient for everyone's advantage. Aside from that, kasama po dito yung SWOT analysis and risk registry, comprehensive integrated management system management review, availability of EMS procedure, commendable presentation of records and documents, and such. And this award is a manifestation of the diligence and persistence of the employees in contributing to the welfare of every kaprobinsyahan dyan po sa La Union. Ayan, kaya congratulations po. And again, kasama po natin ang ating past Governor Francisco Emmanuel Pacoy R. Ortega III and their current Governor Rafael Veronica Ortega that they are committed to support such avenue para lahat lumawak pa, hindi lang sa La Union but also with other provinces nearby.
Yan. It's good to know na everything is advancing to technology. Pero sana wag sana din natin kakalimutan yung ating mga kabalitaktakan na hindi alam yung gumamit neto.
Pa rin, oo.
Kasi sinalolo't lola, 'di ba?
Yes,
pwede pa rin. Oo. Pero mamaya mga kabalitaktakan, ako tignan natin kung kasing init ng crop top ni Boa ang ating performance mamaya. Diyan po mamaya makakasama po natin ang isang composer and songwriter na si Ma'am Erin Ventura.
Oo
Mapapanood
naman.
natin yung live performance niya mamaya.
Yes, musical naman tayo ngayon umaga Morning Barkada kasi ang ibibida ko ngayon or mamaya rather is a woman empowered because she played the role of Kim in Miss Saigon,
Kim?
Guam.
Oh.
Yes, a lead role po Morning Barkada. And aside from that, kung gusto nating makainom ng mainit-init ngayong umaga Morning Barkada, there is a bookshop here in Baguio City that is surely gonna make in your bucket list. Panoorin natin to.
The more that you read, the more
things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. With one flip of a page and eyes glancing back and forth, this local bookshop would want you to read more.
So, Mounted Bookshop, of course, bookshop. Pero we focus on championing yung mga Filipino authors, Filipino publishers, and independent publishers, mostly local din. So a lot of our books na makikita nyo here is wala masyadong Western titles. It's more of the history, the literature, and the fiction works of Filipinas.
A valley of books will welcome you from left to right, with pages that await to fill your mind. A home for local authors, Mount Cloud Bookshop will offer you works of resident creatives.
There is a big writing community here sa Baliktaktakan. And nagsimula yung mga club as a way to support that community. Na meron silang place to stay, place to launch their books, and tatawagin namin na parang safe space for writers.
As years pass by, Mount Cloud has created a family and has slowly invited different establishments to cater to every bookworm's needs.
Well, for starters, it's a family business, so me and my parents actually talked about the name of the cafe, but we couldn't really settle on any one idea. So at the end, we just thought, why not name it after something we all like, which is cats. We're a cat lover sort of family.
As warm as this family of cat lovers, enjoy a story or two with Hot Cat Specialty Coffee.
Well, I'd say that the most important thing that sets us apart from other cafes is the fact that we're a specialty coffee shop. We used to not see a lot of specialty coffee, especially here in Baguio. Hot Cat was the first specialty coffee shop here in Baguio. We started at a different location, pero we migrated here to this spot in 2020. And up until now, a lot of people claim that Hot Cat has the best coffee in Baguio.
Coffee and books are like two peas in a pod, with every flip to bring you to cloud nine, paired with a sip to comfort you with every story. Treat yourself and satisfy your page cravings with Mount Cloud and Hot Cat Cafe this season.
Yes! Ayos to! Ayos to!
Pa, lakas naman ang tawa mo.
Sino ba namang hindi matutuwa dito sa online shopping service at cash on delivery ng PG Home Builders? Pwede din mag-online reservation for pickup.
Pa, ano yung sinasabi mo?
Ma, mapapakabitan na natin ng tiles ang bahay natin.
Pa, baka naman pwede mo isabay yung bubong ng bahay natin.
Para sa quality construction materials, mag-TG Home Builders. Main warehouse and showroom at number 75 Ferguson Road, Gisad, Baguio City. Bucaucan Branch at number 73 Bucaucan Road, Baguio City. Marcos Branch at KM3 Marcos Highway, Baguio City. Sales Office Branch at number 221 Atab Marcos Highway, Baguio City. La Trinidad Branch at KM6 Butag, La Trinidad. And Urdaneta Branch at MacArthur Highway, Urdaneta City. TG Home Builders. We turn houses into homes.
Baguio Country Club, the first and only 5-star mountain resort in the Philippines, is fully equipped and ready to welcome you back. The club has thoroughly worked on adapting to the new normal. The usage of any of the facilities and amenities of the club is governed with specific rules, regulations, and procedures in accordance to the medical, physical distancing, and disinfecting protocols. And as you return back here to your second home and make new memories with us, we assure you that at the Baguio Country Club, you do not have to worry because we can assure you that the club continuously puts great importance to the health, safety, and wellness of its members, guests, and employees.
Coronavirus. Dahil dito, may mga bagay na hindi mo na magagawa. Ngunit, may katuwang ka. PDA or Pau de Arco Herbal Capsule na may antiviral quercetin at immunity booster. Mag-PDA or Pau de Arco Herbal Capsule araw-araw para iwas sakit, iwas virus.
PDA. Proteksyon, depensa, alay sa kalusugan. PDA or Paudi Arco Herbal Capsule is available in all leading drugstores nationwide. Another quality product of Aldrich Corporation. For better life.
Ang maagang konsultasyon ay mahalaga sa pag-iusa ng sakit na dengue. Ngunit, ang tanong ng sambayanan, sapat nga ba ito? Masigasig, maliksi, protektado at mapagmatyag, yan ang dapat mong taglayin. Hanapin ang pinagpupugaran at wasakin ito.
Hello? Nahanap ko na po yung lungga. Kailangan ko na po kayo.
Sige po, Master. Suportahan ng Foggy at Spray.
Tatapusan mo na, mosquito man.
Morning Barkada, I am very elated to show to you and share a story of hard work and passion sa isa nating guest. Morning Barkada, it's playing a role is something that we are empowering our musical actress. And ngayon, Morning Barkada, makakasama natin lang naman ang gumanap na Kim in a lead role rather in Miss Saigon, Guam. Kaya we have Miss Cara Angela Gutierrez. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am!
Ayun,
Happy birthday, Sir Charles.
Good morning, Miss Cara. Bati po muna tayo sa mga nanonood sa atin.
Hi, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Cara. Once again, Miss Cara, we wanted to know muna the journey. How did you start? How and when did you start in this journey of being a theater actress?
All right. So I think the very start with musical theater for me was when I watched the movie Annie, and I was really obsessed with the song Tomorrow, and I would keep singing it all the time. So my parents decided to sign me up for musical theater classes, and I started doing workshops in Tampa, Florida at around 10. And then when we moved to the Philippines, I continued doing workshops with Repertory Philippines and Atlantis Theatrical. And also at reunions, my Lolas and Lolas would always request my sister Anya and I songs from musicals. And my Tita Riza, who's actually from here in Baguio, she would always request Phantom of the Opera because that was her favorite musical.
It is.
And that really helped develop our love for theater.
Oh, wow. That is quite a humbling beginning, Miss Cara. Miss Cara, between, if you are in a theater kasi po, it is a choice between acting, singing, and dancing. What were you most challenged, and how did it motivate you?
I think my main challenge between acting, singing, and dancing was on the acting side. So for Miss Saigon, the challenge for me was playing Kim in a way that was honest and real. I had to be very vulnerable emotionally, and I had to do a lot of firsts. It was my first kiss, my first time being a mother to a real baby, my first time singing 20 songs in a musical.
Yes.
And at first it was really challenging to get into the scenes because they were all so intense. You had to give so much of yourself every time. But my director always tells me that acting is bringing things as close as we can to the truth. So for me, that definitely made it worth it. Every rehearsal, knowing that I was getting closer to that, to telling Kim's story as truthfully as I could.
Yes, that's right, Miss Kim. And 20 singing in that play, it's really going to be challenging in your part and also an adjustment for you. Miss Cara, can you tell us more about how did you know the casting for Miss Saigon and what was the process and how did you feel when you got a call back and finally getting and acing the role of Kim?
So in, I think, March, this year, my tita sent us a Facebook post from World Theater Productions saying that they were having auditions for Miss Saigon in Guam. And she was telling my mom, the girls should audition, have them send a video. And my sister and I were kind of wondering, like, should we go for it, Miss Saigon? So we decided to take the chance, and we both submitted our videos to World Theater Productions. And a few months later, I got a call back for the role of Kim. It was in person in Manila, and we would be performing in front of the director, Sir Jojo Urquijo. So I went for the callback, and I sang the songs. And then a few weeks later, I got the email saying that I was accepted into production. And my family was with me. We were all screaming. I couldn't believe it. Miss Saigon is known for some of the most beautiful and moving songs in musical theater. It was honestly a privilege just to be given the chance to be a part of it. And my sister Anya was accepted too, and she played a featured role as Yvette, one of the main bar girls.
Yes, that's right. And even I, Miss Carrie, even if I'm not an immediate family member, I would feel proud as well. And I'm humbled, actually. And Miss Cara, in playing the lead role of Kim, what do you think do you and Kim share in common?
Oh, that's a good question. I think Kim and I are similar in a lot of ways. We're both shy and timid, and we both look awkward when we dance. But I think the biggest thing that I share with Kim is how big of a dreamer she is, how she hopes against hope, no matter how bleak the situation might look. I think it's this relentless optimism that ultimately got her through many of the tragedies that came her way.
Certainly, Miss Cara. I believe that you have exuded that as well as an individual person and the person that you are right now. Miss Cara, syempre hindi po matatapas ito hanggang hindi ka namin maririnig. And gusto namin for you to share us a few lines of maybe the songs that you have performed in Miss Saigon.
All right, ma'am. Thank you so much. So I'm going to sing Sun and Moon. I think everybody knows this song. It's my favorite in the show also. So I'll just sing a little part of it for you. All right. You are sunlight and I moon, joined by the gods of fortune, midnight and high noon, sharing the sky. We have been blessed, you and I. You are sunlight and I moon, joined here, brightening the sky with the flame of love, made of sunlight.
Wow! Thank you so much, Miss Cara, for joining us this morning. And grabe lahat kami dito sa studio. We are just in awe to hear your voice. Lahat kami jaw-drop dito. And more, also, Miss Cara, are there any upcoming events that you would be part of? And what is next now for you?
Well, right now, my sister and I have a few performances lined up, and we plan to audition for more shows and musicals in the future. Please wish us luck. Thank you so much.
Yes, best of luck, Miss Cara. And once again, thank you so much for sharing your time this morning. And yan nga, morning barkada. And if there is something that is overwhelming with the attitude of Miss Cara is her humility, even though how far she've become. Great artists are people who find the way to be themselves in their art. Magbabalik pa rin ang Morning Baliktaktakan.
Bizarre Music offers a complete line of musical instruments. Bizarre Music, Baguio's pioneer in online music and art lessons. Bizarre Music, bringing music closer to your hearts.
isang pahid ka lang.
Dahil walang out sa POW!
Best sellers that we have are the pork sisig, sizzling liempo, quarter leg, and then we have the sizzling beef pares as well.
Gusto mo bang maging updated sa balita at mapasaya ang inyong araw? I-scan ang inyong mga digibox at hanapin ang Highland TV, ang aming channel nakadepende sa inyong lokasyon. Para naman sa mga gumagamit ng free TV o digital smart TV, posisyon ang inyong antena sa labas ng bahay at hanapin ang Channel 44. Pwede rin kaming subaybayan live sa Original News Group Luzon Facebook page at RNG Luzon YouTube channel. Araw-araw tumutok para sa mga balita, latest updates at kulitan tuwing umaga.
Tag-ulan na naman. Marami na naman akong bibiktimahin.
Tag-ulan na naman, pinapaalala ng Department of Health na sundin ng 4S kontra dengue. Una, search and destroy mosquito breeding ground. Pangalawa, secure self-protection measures. Pangatlo, seek early consultation. At higit sa lahat, support fogging to prevent impending outbreaks. Ugaliing sundin ng 4S ng DOH dahil stay safe at home ka na, then get out ka pa!
Gusto mo bang maging updated sa balita at mapasaya ang inyong araw? I-scan ang inyong mga digibox at hanapin ang Highland TV, ang aming channel nakadepende sa inyong lokasyon. Para naman sa mga gumagamit ng free TV o digital smart TV, posisyon ang inyong antena sa labas ng bahay at hanapin ang Channel 44. Pwede rin kaming subaybayan live sa Original News Group Luzon Facebook page at RNG Luzon YouTube channel. Araw-araw tumutok para sa mga balita, latest updates at kulitan tuwing umaga.
Tag-ulan na naman. Marami na naman akong bibiktimahin.
Tag-ulan na naman, pinapaalala ng Department of Health na sundin ng 4S kontra dengue. Una, search and destroy mosquito breeding ground. Pangalawa, secure self-protection measures. Pangatlo, seek early consultation. At higit sa lahat, support fogging to prevent impending outbreaks. Ugaliing sundin ng 4S ng DOH dahil stay safe at home ka na, then get out ka pa!
Para
Yan, di na lang sana umibig sa'yo. Yan. Palakpakan naman po ang ating Baguio rising artist, Erin Ventura. Yan, congratulations! Anong title ng kantang kinanta mo?
Di na lang.
Di na lang. Ayan, alright. Baka may gusto kang batiin, Erin, ngayong umaga?
Good morning po to everyone watching, especially to my mom.
Ayan.
Somewhere there.
Bakit somewhere? Ayan. Erin, ayan. Ilang taon ka na?
I'm currently turning 20.
20?
Yes.
Oo, batang-bata pa. Malaking future, mga kabalitaktakan. Ayan. Erin, isa kang songwriter and aspiring artist. Matanong ko lang, because you're a student also, paano mo na nababalance itong pagkahilig mo sa musika and then ditong pag-aaral mo?
As a student po, I study music. So, nababalance ko siya in a way na sa school po kasi I learn more about how to write and how to perform. So, parang hindi ko, na-merge po kasi siya together. Yung school life ko and my artist life.
So parang walang boundaries na din, kumbaga.
Yes po.
Oo.
Nakakatulong siya sa pagiging artist ko din.
Saan yung school mo?
I currently study po in Manila, sa Mint College.
Oh, that's good. Oo, ayan. And also, saan ka na ba nakapag-perform sa pagiging musician mo ngayon?
I usually play po sa mga gigs. Yung last performance ko po was for Project Semicolon. Dun sa Cafe Verity a few weeks ago.
Oh.
So, when people invite me po for gigs, that's where I usually play.
May banda ka ding sinasamahan?
Usually po, yung tatay ko, sinasamahan niya ako tumugtog.
Oo.
So, this is actually my first time performing by myself.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, in a while.
Pero nakikita mo na din na nagsosolo ka sa stage, mga gano'n.
Yes po, kasi yung dad ko naman, hindi na naman po ako masasamahan in Manila. So,
dito sa Baguio, given that. Oo. Pero may mga nag-invite na din sa'yo for concerts, mga banda, mga gano'n.
So far, wala pa po. But hopefully, in the future.
Oo. Kasi I know, nabasa ko yung sa background mo, family of musician pala kayo. So, may pressure ba? Kapag galing ka sa isang family of musician, dapat maging musikero din ako? Or it's just a pure passion na din nung nag-start kang tumugtog nung 12 years old ka pa?
Coming from a family of musicians po, parang wala naman pong pressure since my parents are always very supportive naman. Personal choice ko actually mag-pursue ng music. Hindi po nila ako
pinilit.
So, since yun po yung kinalakihan ko, parang ginusto ko na rin lang po siya i-pursue.
Ano yung una mong natutunang instrument na tugtugin?
Ang pinaka-first ko pong instrument was piano. Pero hindi ko po siya pursue, hindi po ako magaling mag-piano.
So, nag-stick ka na lang sa gitara?
Yes po. Sa ukulele po ang first ko na string. Tapos, nag-progress po ako to guitar.
Violin, hindi na?
Ay, hindi po.
Ayan, oo. Since you're also a rising composer and songwriter, ano yung mga message ng kanta mo? Ano yung, kumbaga, style mo sa pagkanta or paggawa ng mga kanta?
Ang writing process ko po ng songs ko, usually, I write from experience. Hindi lang po experience ko, but also yung mga tao sa paligid ko. And recently, ang mga themes ng mga kanta ko, since from experience nga siya, syempre, pinagdadaanan natin ng heartbreak, ganyan. Pero recently, because of the circumstances, may mga songs, mga sinulat din ako about hope, especially ngayong pandemic and the results of the
yung pandemic.
Yeah, pandemic.
Ano yung pinaka-latest mong nilabas na kanta ngayon?
Itong next ko po na ipa-perform is Tayo. That's the latest one I've written.
So based on experience ka lang talaga? Or humuhugot ka din ng sarili mong, ng iba't ibang style from other famous songwriters?
Siguro music-wise, kumukuha rin po na experience kung ano po yung tunog nila, ganun, how they write their songs also. Ganun po.
Oo, kasi kapag musician, sinasabi nila follow your passion. Pero hindi sinasabi kung gaano kahirap. Oo. Gaano ba
Very
kahirap
true.
maging musician? Ano yung mga mahirap na pinapagdaanan or experiences of being a rising musician? Mga ganon.
Feeling ko po yung pinakamahirap is hindi kasi sineryoso ng mga tao. Pag sinabi mong musikero ka, iisipin nila parang hobby lang siya, ganun. Pero if you actually want to do it as your profession, parang hindi ka nila siseryosohin. Parang feeling nila joke lang yun. Pero sobrang hirap niya kasi kailangan mo gawin mag-isa. Kailangan mo humanap ng sarili mong support system to build you as an artist.
Oo. And ito yung malaking foundation kapag mahanap natin yung support system.
Yes,
And also, ano yung support system mo or saan ka kumukuha ng hugot ng lakas para ipagpatuloy itong passion na to? Kasi may yung mga iba't ibang mga artist, merong sariling foundation yan bago nag-start. Ikaw?
Ang foundation ko po are my parents talaga. Kasi they've always been supportive. Yung dad ko, lagi niya akong sinasamahan as much as possible sa mga gigs. And yung mom ko naman, she takes care po kasi of my little brother at home. So, as much as she can at home, she supports me as well. So, ang support system ko po talaga is my family.
And that's a very, very solid foundation na din naman. Ano. Pero banding nyo, matanong ko lang, kasi family of musician kayo, banding nyo din ba mag-jamming sa bahay? At hindi naman
Yes,
ba
po.
kayo nababarangay?
Madalas po kami nagja-jamming at home, especially pag nasa bahay yung dad ko. Nagigitara po kasi yung dad ko. So, ayun po. Pero most of the time, pag kami lang ng mom ko, yung bumibirit kami ng mga Adele, Mariah Carey.
Pwedeng sample. Mga Adele, mga gano'n. Mga tugtugan gano'n.
Yung nanay ko kasi, biritera kasi siya. So, hindi naman po ako biritera.
Okay.
Yung mom ko, sumasabay lang ako sa kanya.
Bilang isang rising artist na din, at unti-unting nakikilala, nagbabasking ka pala sa session or have you tried?
I haven't tried busking po, pero before the pandemic, there was a collective group, yung Sibol Collective, and they would have open mics. Doon po usually I would perform with them.
Kumusta yung pakiramdam na nag-open ka lang sa public, kumakanta ka lang?
Passion ko po kasi talaga mag-perform. So, whenever I sing in front of people, parang iba po yung tuwa na nararamdaman mo. Parang you're home.
Oo. At least you're getting comfortable na din sa mga tao, which is yan yung mga stage fright kung minsan yung mahirap alisin, 'di ba? Oo. And siguro na lang anong mensahe mo sa ating mga kabalitaktakan who is also aspiring to be you? Parang ikaw na nagsimula sa pagiging isang humble na artist at ngayon ay unti-unti nang nakikilala.
I think the biggest thing po about being an aspiring musician is to keep going. Build connections, most especially. Find your support system. And just keep the passion going. Dapat po, as a musician, hindi ka mawalan ng passion sa ginagawa mo, even if it's your job. So, ayun, ang pinaka-importante is your passion and your dedication sa work mo.
Ayan. So, malaki talaga yung dedication Ayan. Anong mga plano mo na ngayon? May mga bala ka bang pag-performan ngayon? Or any gigs?
Nagbabalak po ako mag-release ng first single ko
this
year. So, hopefully matuloy po yun.
Sana.
Before
matutuloy yan.
the end of 2022. Yan.
Anong title ng album mo, if ever?
Yung first na single po na i-release ko, pinagpipilian ko pa yung song. So, surprise na lang po.
Ayan. And saan namin makikita, if ever, mahahanap?
You can look for me on Spotify once it's released. Pero for more updates po, you can follow me on Instagram at Erin Galadriel.
Ayan. Good luck sa iyong music career and also balang araw, isa ka din sa mga tinitingalang mga OPM artists here in the Philippines. At yan po si Erin Ventura ngayong umaga na kasama po natin. And to hear more from her, let's hear it again from Erin Ventura. Ano yung title ng kanta mo?
Tayo.
Tayo. Ayan. Let's hear it from Erin Ventura.
Andito ako, andito tayo. Pag-ibig ay hawakan mo. Andito sa'yo, huwag kang matakot. Dahil ako'y naniniwala. Andito ako, andito tayo. Pag-ibig ay hawakan mo. Andito sa'yo, huwag kang matakot. Dahil ako'y naniniwala sa iyo. Andito ako, andito tayo. Andito ako, andito sa'yo. Andito ako, huwag kang matakot. Sasamahan kita hanggang sa dulo.
Gusto mo bang maging updated sa balita at mapasaya ang inyong araw? I-scan ang inyong mga digibox at hanapin ang Highland TV. Ang aming channel nakadepende sa inyong lokasyon. Para naman sa mga gumagamit ng free TV o digital smart TV, posisyon ang inyong antena sa labas ng bahay at hanapin ang Channel 44. Pwede rin kaming subaybayan live sa Original News Group Luzon Facebook page at RNG Luzon YouTube channel. Araw-araw tumutok para sa mga balita, latest updates at kulitan tuwing umaga.
Sa milky ng batang 90s, narangati ng itrahay. Ang batang 90s milky, di ka magsisisi, promise. Sa milky ng batang 90s.
Bulok, maliliit at hindi ba malusog ang inyong mga halaman? Omega Green ang kasagutan. Ihalo lang ang 2 kutsara nito sa isang maliit na container at kaunting tubig. Pagkatapos ay ihalo sa knapsack sprayer at pwede na itong ispray sa mga pananim. Meron itong nitrogen, phosphorus, magnesium, copper at zinc na tumutulong sa pagpapaganda at pagpapabilis ng tubo, pagpapanatili ng nutrisyon, mas malagong mga dahon at panlaban sa mga sakit ng mga halaman. Hindi rin ito nakasasama sa kapaligiran. Pwede rin ito sa kahit anong klase ng halaman, mapa highland crops o lowland crops. Omega Green by Encam Agri-Marketing, the ultimate friend of farmers.
At nagbabalik po ang Morning Baliktaktakan ngayong Wednesday morning. At para po sa ating mga kabalitaktakang nag-aabang, merong mga nag-aabang. Oy, congratulations pala sa mga nanalo sa STL. At para malaman nyo kung nanalo ba kayo o hindi, atin pong tignan ang mga lumabas sa mga numero sa ating STL ngayong umaga. Unang-una po ang first draw, 637. Second draw, 1734. At third draw, 2329. So ulitin ko po, ang first draw ay 637, second draw 1734 at ang ating third draw 2329.
Wow naman, may lucky numbers ka ba doon?
Wala.
Wala din eh.
5 sana hinahanap ko, 6 naman lumabas. So,
baka bukas.
Baka bukas. Pero kanina napansin ko si Cara, yung interview mo. Oo. Parang nakikita ko siya yung maliit na kwan, parang nagsisimulang Lea Salonga.
True.
Diba?
Pati yung artist mo kanina, diba? They are homegrown. If that's the right, homegrown talaga, na meron yung humility sa kanila, yung humbleness talaga. Kaya, grabe no, Morning Barkada. Kung nadengge lang kasi talaga ako.
Kaya, ganun sana yung boses mo.
Nadengge nga lang ako, Morning Barkada. Pasensya na. Ayan. At syempre, hindi papahuli kami ni Charles. Kahit dalawa lang kami, maglalaro pa rin kami, di ba?
Anong laro yan?
Anong laro yan?
Wala po na yung Little Minion
Wala
natin.
Wala yung Little Minion natin na nagpapasayaw. Oo. Itong kantang to.
Andyan si Trisha eh.
Trisha, mawalang galang na po.
Okay.
Ayan,
okay, itong kantang to. Ayan, Mechanics. Sabihin ang title ng kanta kung saan galing ang lyrics. Oh.
Wow.
So we will guess the title.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
May choice ba kami? Salbakuta.
Nang ma-inlove ako sa'yo.
Nang ma-inlove ako sa'yo, binabawi ko na, ganun.
Ano yan?
Salbakuta yung artist.
Love. Ano ba yun tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko yun yung title. Little
Stupid
Minion.
Love.
Stupid Love. Tama.
Pero yung kilala ko lang ito.
Ayan, by Salbakuta. Alam yan ni Ren eh. Bakit ngayon kasi nag-absent?
Wala, nasa far, far away land.
Far, far away. Okay, 0-0 tayo.
Hindi, nanalo ako.
Yung singer lang yun.
Ay, sorry na gano'n.
Pwede.
Next.
Dahil sa'yo merong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Tama ba yun?
Inigo Pascual. Pogi yun eh.
Ano na kasi to? Dahil sa'yo.
Oo. Para sa'yo.
Para sa'yo ba yun? Manny Pacquiao. Tama ba?
Tama ba? Uy, touch halika
dahil sa'yo ba yung Inigo
Ay,
Pascual?
sorry. Touch, sumayo ka dito.
Para sa'yo ba?
Para sa'yo. Sorry.
Umagang-umaga, ano ba yan? Alright, next. Maging ang
Tala! May Sarah Geronimo! Ay, hindi pala mali. Sorry. Kilometro. Ang ano ko ba eh. Tama.
Ano yung unang sinabi mo? Tala. Ang layo nun
Kanta niya pa rin yun.
Tala ba yun?
Kilometro. Ay, bakit
layo. Okay. By Sarah G. Okay. Ayan, kilometro.
Hoy, pumuntos ka naman, Charles. Pag ikaw,
babawi ako.
Dami ko nang sinagot dito. Papasayawin talaga kita.
Ano next?
Next.
Because what I don't understand is why I'm feeling.
Kitchinadal. Same ground. Oh my gosh.
Nakalimutan.
Pumuntos
Hindi
ka
ko yan
naman.
kaedaran. Sorry.
Hindi mo kaedaran. Abang ka pa.
Hindi ko naabutan. Ano ba yan? 2000? Or 19?
Oy, grabe ka sa 19, no? Excuse me, Charles, ayusin mo yan.
Same ground.
May kitchinadal.
Yan. Wala bang MYMP dyan? Kaedaran lang din yun eh. Okay.
Next po. Happy ending story.
With a Smile by Eraserhead.
Oy, 17,000 yung ticket nila.
Ngayon. May concert sila ngayon.
3,000 yung bronze. Yung nasa ano ba to? Ang mahal, 17,000.
Tama ba? Tama yan. With a Smile.
Kahit na tama ka, mas marami ako nasagot sa'yo. Tumigil ka, no?
Hindi. At least may 1 point.
Okay.
Alright, next.
Meron pa ba?
Tuwing kapiling ka, tangin.
Ano yan?
Nakalimutan ko na. Ano na yan?
Ulit, isa pa? Isa pa po.
Between by... Hindi eh, wait lang.
Ano ba to? Uy, anong year to? Tuwing kapilang ka, tanging nalalaro ang pagsilip lang between sa iyong mga mata.
Okay.
Sorry na.
Regine Velasquez pala yun.
Tumingin ka sa akin maka-tingin ka sa akin Excuse me naman, Charles.
Paano yun ulit? Paano yung lyrics nun?
Dadalhin kita sa akin.
Di ba palasyo yun?
Oo nga.
Dadalhin kasi yun. Gino-joke lang kita. Okay.
Pauto ka naman, Charles.
Ano yun? Para sa'yo ba yung Manny Pacquiao? Sana in-inform mo man lang ako bago ka nag-joke. Alright.
Sasayaw si Charles. Ang dami kaya ng mali.
Okay.
Sasayaw ka na, birthday boy.
Tapos na ba?
Oo.
Tapos na ba?
Pwede mo mag-request yung zoom in, zoom out, Char. Joke lang.
Sige na nga, para hindi KJ.
Ano sasayawan ni birthday boy?
Hoy, ang hirap niyan!
Oh.
Paano ba yan?
Hindi ko alam eh. Nasa na Minion rin.
Wala si
alam
Ren
niya,
may
no?
kabisado nun.
Oo.
Bakit ba ako?
Thank you. Happy birthday
Happy
again.
birthday to me.
Ayan.
And also, happy birthday pala kay Sir Andrew Pinero ng Baguio Country
Ay,
Club.
wow. Oo. At saka sa
Yan.
lahat ng celebrate ngayon, sabi nga nila, you celebrate at least 10,000 people ka-birthday.
Ang dami naman nun.
Ang dami. All over the world.
Ang dami yun namang papakainin, no?
Oo, isang barangay, isang probinsya.
Pwede.
Oh, and Morning Barkada, thank you sa pagtutok sa inyong sa inyo ngayong umaga. Ang Happy Wednesday natin ay hindi pa natatapos. And thank you also to our international viewers po na nag-share, nag-stream ng ating Facebook Live and YouTube Live as well. And also to our, dun po sa mga nag-send ng stars natin, thank you as well. Meron pa pa 50 stars sa'yo kanina kasi birthday mo eh.
Hindi. Kakilala ko yun eh. Thank you. Ba't mo ako binubuking? Ayan, and also, belated happy birthday pala kay Ophel ng kasama nating mamamahayag. Ayun. Nakalimutan ko na yung kanya eh. Full name niya. Basta si Ophel. Happy birthday sa'yo, kapwa ko October yan. Ano? Oo, ayan.
Yes.
And pasalamatan na din natin. Idiretso na natin sa ating mga avid sponsors ngayong umaga. Unang-una na po dyan, ang Batang 90s Milk Tea dyan po sa Upper Session Road, Baguio City. And also, wag din natin kakalimutan Musar Music and also Pugo Adventure Resort. At upang matanggal ang sakit ng ating mga katawan, wag din natin kakalimutan magpahid-pahid gamit ang mga produkto ng Aldrich Pau de Arco. Ayan, dahil sa wala nang
Sa Pau! O, diba?
Nakalimutan ko yun.
Okay lang yan. And Maranan and Ballesteros Optical Clinic po and Dizon Vision Clinic. Maraming salamat din po sa pagpapaliwanag ng ating mga mata. And also, personal greeting po to all our mentors and teachers and coaches. Happy Teachers Day po sa inyo.
Today.
po.
Happy Teachers Day.
po.
Happy Teachers Day.
Thank you. May
Yan.
nag-send kasi sa akin ng gift.
Stars.
Sana nga star na lang. Star na lang kasi nag-send siya sa akin ng gift. Also, maraming salamat din po